Hi guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in you know, worldwide. Yeah.
Wherever you may be.
Yes.
Hi.
Yeah. So we're talking about like extended family.
But before we do, I'd like to mention the website. I'd like to stick it at the beginning too. Beautiful babylove.com, because we have all our channels there. There's a donate button that some have contributed to her bank account. That's where it goes, and she helps people. So just like to mention that. And thank you for checking out our other channels and like subscribing and checking them out regularly and watching them. Really appreciate it. So beautifulbabylove.com.
Yes. So we're talking about we will, how to say that?
She has an amazing tragic story. Is that what?
Yeah.
The one
I don't want to share that
another time.
now. Yeah. In other
it's really something. I gotta tell you. Stay tuned for another video, because we were just talking this morning. And it's like, oh my goodness, I can hardly believe it. I believe it because she is who she is, and she wouldn't tell me a lie. But wow.
Yeah, because we have different experience, not just the first time, but like I can say twice already that it happens that we have relatives who live with us. You know, when I was a kid, we have so many relatives that live with us, and when I already work abroad with my daughter, when my sister work abroad, we have also relatives who live with my mom and my niece. Of course, we are trying to help them, especially if that kids like they don't go to school. So we try our best to help them, to send them to school. And then I told him that if we have our own house here in the Philippines, I don't want to invite relatives to live with us, because sometimes your goodness towards other might create trouble in the future. Yeah, and I don't want that to happen, especially of course for his sake and for my sake as well. Yeah, I don't want that. So if in the future we don't have kids, it's fine that we just me and him, and of course our son, if they want to live with us, it's fine. But when it comes to relatives, like even close relatives, distant relatives, I don't want to invite, because I have many reasons not to invite relatives to live.
I want so bad to talk about it. I'm trying not to.
Yeah.
It's another video.
Or maybe I can share now. Yeah.
I don't know. Should you?
Maybe.
See, like as you said, you wanted to have someone else to talk about it too, and that would be best, I think.
Yeah.
Because they have someone else who was there at the same time. That would be a better video. Oh, it's a teaser video today for another video.
I really don't like.
It's really something,
because we have so many bad experience even up to this time. Let me share this, because I share this stories, tragic stories happens in Cotabato, South Cotabato.
This is a different one, right?
Yeah, it's
not related to you.
Yes, not related to me, but I have experience also, and I shared this to him because it happens 2 years ago, more than 2 years ago, and like before I meet him, it happens. I was in Hong Kong, like they help girl to send school, because her daughter knows someone that you know, maybe I'm not sure where they meet, but they try to help them to go to school. So she's a working student for this family of 4, 2 children, and the father is a teacher and the mom is principal. So like after years, like there's a lot of red flags, but the daughter always try to, like a good daughter, like, can you just forgive her? They give a lot of chances because she steal money. The latest that she steal is like she stole is like 10,000, but they still forgive her and give her another chance and let her stay in the house. And this girl has a boyfriend, and during that time they are all minors. Yeah, but the eldest of the family, she's in first year college, and the youngest, which is boy, in like maybe in senior high school. Yeah, and they were both close, and they treat each other like siblings. Yeah, even if in spite of red flags. And there is one time, like it's really tragic, it's brutal. Like the girl, I can say adopted. Yeah, because they treated as their own kid also. So you can park there now. Like she's planning to commit a crime in the family, and she called her boyfriend and one of her relatives, I guess it's a relatives, to kill the children of that couple. Because in her mind, like if the children are dead, she might become their daughter.
That's crazy stuff.
It seems like in the movie, the Bad Seed
horror movie.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh
It
goodness.
happens like they were inside the house, the three of them, and then when the two guys get inside the house and brutally killed the two kids. Yes, they use I think baseball bat, hammer, and knife to kill. And the daughter even do Facebook Live to ask help, like someone, there's an intruder, maybe it's a robbery. Yeah, they don't survive. The two children don't survive.
So this is a family just trying to help
Yes.
someone else, and this is what ended up happening.
Yes.
So what would you say like the moral of this true to life horror story is?
The moral?
Yeah.
I don't want.
Like, just
Like-
don't let someone else into your home. Right? That's
Exactly.
kind of like what you're saying
Yeah,
from the
exactly.
beginning. Right?
Yes, because it's really scary nowadays. Yeah, you don't know, especially if you don't know, even if it's your relatives. It's really frustrating, and it's really heartbreaking that happens. Like you know what, the what is that? How to say that? The adopted daughter, technically adopted. Yeah, because they don't treat them as a working student. She even gets shower. Yeah, because when the father arrived, her hair is wet and clean, and according to her, she just locked her door because might something happen to her. Yeah, it's like it doesn't make sense. Yeah, that's the story of too much goodness in your heart, like you even invited a killer to your family.
Yeah, it's wow. It's like you really have to be careful.
And especially like she's still minor. Yeah, and her boyfriend is minor. Only the relatives, which is the other accomplice, is in legal age. Yeah, and this time they're already in prison.
Yeah. What a tragedy.
Yeah,
so
it's a heartbreaking story.
You have a kind heart, but
Yeah.
you know.
You try to
Excuse me.
help.
Be careful with your kind heart.
Yes, that's why I said that I don't want to get someone to live in our house because it might create some problems. Just like, for example, nowadays, foreigner is an easy target of, frame up.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah. And then I saw one comment in our YouTube channel that her wife accused her to, what is that, Mahal? She paid their neighbors to
False
accuse him
False
for
accusation.
what is that? Sexual abuse, child abuse,
Yeah.
and he was in prison for how many years? More than 5 years, right?
I guess.
Yes, and all the accusation are dismissed because it's not true. Yeah, I don't want that to happen. That's why I really I told him that if we don't have a child, then it's fine, you and me in the house. I don't mind.
Dogs. Gotta have dogs.
Yeah, we have dogs. Yeah,
We love
we have
dogs.
3 dogs, and sometimes
I want to add another one because I like Bingo too.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like even the even if we don't have kids and we don't have little children because all our kids are grown up and we have dogs, it seems like I'm still a mom because I keep nagging at my dogs because they don't eat much. Yeah, so I don't want that. It's just how to say that, precautions.
Yeah, precautions.
Yeah.
With extended relatives and friends. Your immediate family is okay, but I mean, wow. You get outside
Immediate
that.
family, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
But outsider, you don't know them, you don't get along with them, you don't live with them your entire life. They're just stranger, even if it's your relatives, even if it's still a close relatives to you, still a strangers to you. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Yeah, I was really surprised with that story. And then she had one more close to home. So we thought we'd mention that in another video. So stay tuned for that. It could be on either one of our channels. It may be on Filipina and the Foreigner channel, probably, or Filipina Recorded Live. Probably one of those channels. Keep watching those channels. And she relayed a more personal story that was similar. I mean, I guess not quite as tragic, but very similar. It could have been just as tragic, really. But anyway.
Yeah.
Stay
So
tuned for that
that's
video.
my only in my own opinion, I don't want any relatives or friends to live with us in the future once we decided to make a house. And no, I don't want, even if they call me selfish, no. Yeah, for the sake of our safety. Yeah, it's not just like we become arrogant because no, we are not rich. I just want to have, just like I mentioned, precautions.
Yeah, she's got real life situations.
Because
So-
we experienced that,
Yeah.
and me personally experienced that. That I will share this in the future videos.
Yeah.
Because this experience of mine, I didn't even share it to him. So later I will share it to him.
Yeah.
This is my hidden secret. Yeah, it's a tragic. I can say, like, I really don't like it. That I really want to forget, but I can't.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, stay tuned
Okay.
and please visit our
Website.
website, beautifulbabylove.com. And God
she
bless everyone.
is beautiful. I'm her baby love. And the internet is .com.
Thank you and God bless everyone.